Thank you for viewing, and this is Phil Fashion TV.
What is your pick for tonight?
I'm not telling anybody. It's a surprise.
Sa sexual fantasies daw. So, naisip ko parang mala Victoria's Secret. Kasi every guy, di ba, parang gusto nila ng mga Victoria's Secret models. So, naisip ko corset, tsaka yung ganyan, tapos yung high socks. Para parang, sexy schoolgirl look.
Ito yung pinagpapantasan mong babae.
Walang iba kundi si Regine.
Regina Angel.
Why?
Makaka-inlove yung lips.
Gusto mo siyang halikan?
Oo.
So, bakit ako napag-clickify nyo? Of course, my sister, she's really hot, she's fit. And ang dami pang ibang girls like Aubrey Mas and Diana Zubiri, diba? Sobrang classic yun. Kanina ko pa tinitingnan si Aubrey, nakaka-tomboy. Super sexy, hot mama, super grabe. I love Heart Evangelista.
Are you willing to have a lesbian relationship with her if ever?
Oh yeah. But I'm sure she's straight, so... My girl crush would have to be me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking.
You make a lot of sense. Who
No,
else?
I'm not that much of an asshole. Ace Sazaki, man. She's got this rock and roll vibe. She's awesome. She's got the whole leather thing going on. That whoosh, yeah. I love you, man.
Ano yung pinakapantasya mo?
Siyempre, yung mga bawal. Ayoko ng girl to girl. Sorry. Ayoko talaga. Guy lang. My sexual fantasy, siguro yung I get caught by a policeman. Do you read the book 50 Shades of Grey? Then there you go. If you read it, then you know. Because I love the beach. So probably yon. Gusto ko parang nasa castle, prinsesa, ganyan-ganon. Oh, like desert, like Africa desert. I don't know, because I haven't been there, so I want to experience that.
The hot, humid weather.
Yeah, that'd be so hot.
Ano bang asset mo?
Pinaka-asset ko, ngayong gabi. Ngayong gabi siguro yung image ko.
Sarap ko bang humalik?
Walang ganyan. Hindi ko pa nahalikan ng sarili ko eh. Pero mamaya tatry ko yan.
What if magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong slumber party? At mag-invite yun ng tatlong FHM babes. Gagawa kayo ng mga naughty things sa kwarto mo. Sino yung mga i-invite mo?
Wait lang, na-stress ako doon. Isa si Christine, isa si Jade Lopez, yung best friend ko, at siguro si Regina Angeles. Ellen, and I would also go for my friend Wendy Valdez. Sige, sasama ko si Christine Tanawin.
Sonia, Jack, and Aubrey, because we always hang out together at these shows, and we seem to have a lot of fun together.
Christine Reyes, si Steph Prescott, tsaka si Jeff Gaitan. Kasi ako conservative ako talaga, maniwala ka sa akin. Siguro mag-ano lang kami, alam mo yun, manicure, pedicure, mga ganun lang. I'll make out with Solen,
And yeah.
maybe Sam. Sila na lang munang dalawa.
And your big sister.
My sister? My lord, no. I can't kiss my sister. I can't make out with my sister. That's a no-no. Thank you so much to every single one of you who voted for me. I can't believe this is happening. And thank you so much for all your support. I love you all.